16 Armada. I'm gonna try to bring it back to life. Been sitting for about 3 years. Window doesn't work. It's still there. It's not broken. Still got the glass. I think it's probably the motor. It needs a paint job and tires, but I heard it run. I want to see if I can read the codes. So package. Leather seats. Seats are not the best. Let's see if it'll open. It's open. I'll be dang. Battery's dead. More cosmetic than anything, but it's still here. It needs to be cleaned out for sure. Okay, the seat is here. I was just about to say that's not a good sign that I see coolant, but so far I think I can save it. It's got the TVs. Sunroof, apparently it's sealed. Yes, it is. So probably motor, and it's starting to rust from sitting under the tree, but looks pretty good. Nothing concerning yet. Pop the hood. Yeah. Tire is bald. Few years sitting. V8. I think I can get a battery, but so far, don't smell coolant. That belt looks like it is ready to go to the gulag. I do see an oil leak down there. Looks pretty good. Struts are bad, and its hood is very heavy. I think I could save this big truck. It'd be nice to be able to pull a trailer. So far, so good. I don't even see if that opens, but there she is. Painted. Can't wait to get it buffed and waxed. Yeah, it's a trade. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but if I can get that truck home, I can clean it. I don't want to let her go, so I might keep this as my daily, and this is just gonna be updates on progress. It's gonna be my first Nissan I brought back to life. I had an Xterra, but it was all cosmetic. It was cheap things, so if I can get away with like junkyard parts or a part out, I probably could save so much money. And I already seen this mirror smashed, so it's just glass. So far it's just cosmetic and just a few codes for like a misfire. They thought it was the injectors and parked this and never drove it. They have 3 vehicles, they don't need this one. So I'm gonna let the owner know they're letting me get this vehicle, and I'm gonna try to save it, put a little custom touches to it when I'm done. If it is the all-wheel drive model, I'm probably gonna go for like a lift type thing to make this a tow package, put a roof rack and stuff on it. I never really had a white vehicle besides my Fiat, and I think like a car way back in the day, an Avenger that I was playing around with. But it'd be nice to be able to tow a trailer, I ain't gonna lie. I can save the interior. Nice little detail. Maybe change all this, like dye it all black. I think I can save it. It's got a little valve cover leak, but it's been running for an hour. Not really overheating. I know the fluids and everything are old, but it's running. No knocking, ticking. I just moved it. It's got a flat tire, but it's running. Another fine morning. Got the Lexus. We're going to move the Armada. I got the tow truck here. I didn't feel safe driving it. The radiator is very brittle. Snapped one of the flanges. So I'm just gonna tow it. Already found a radiator for it, but we're gonna see if she starts. Here she is. exciting moment. The Armada is on the tow truck. We're about to get out of here and on to our new destination. We're about to get some parts for it and then see what happens. I don't know if I want to lift it or leave it like it is. So far, it's going to make a great tow pig.
Then I swear my cold back, counting all these bands, ay. Who the fuck are you, ay? Why you walk so cold, ay? $1,000 shows, ay. 100 on my jewels, ay. I got all these grooves. First I drop my top, ay. Then I swear my cold back, counting all these bands, ay. Who the fuck are you, ay? First I drop my top, ay. Then I swear my cold back.
We're going to give her a bath before it rains, but I just want to see what the paint looks like underneath. Took a look before.